Hey everyone, my name is Isaac, if you don't already know, and I'm going to share with you today the 5 reasons why I want to become a registered investment advisor. The first reason why I want to become a registered investment advisor, or an RIA, is to teach my fellow church members how to understand what money is and how to make investments based on Bible prophecy. I am a Seventh-day Adventist church member, and a lot of my church members are extremely superstitious. They have strange ideas about the government, strange ideas about the world we live in, and especially about finance. And so I'd love to be able to help clear some of that mud up. The second reason I'd like to become an RIA is to break the superstition that money is evil and that investing your money is gambling. It's one of the strangest things that I've heard repeated over and over and over by church members, that you can't make investments, you're gambling. There's a reason why so many church members are, well, anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. That's a whole, anyhow. The third reason why I would like to become an RIA is to create a tidal wave of ROI that translates into more mission work and evangelism. Could you imagine 1,000 of us, 2,000 of us just loaded up with cash, and the things we could do, the things we could accomplish, the mission work, we could hire evangelists, we could build schools, we could do so many things if all of us just had a little surplus cash. And it doesn't take that long to grow if you just know the right vehicles to put it in. The fourth reason, so I can make a living doing the thing that I love most, which is helping people. I don't see anything wrong with that. If you do, then we can talk. Number 5, so I don't go to jail for giving financial advice. It's one of those things where the SEC, in our society, there's 2 things we're not supposed to talk about, which is like politics and religion, right? But there's really 3, because the third thing is money. Anytime you start talking about money, people get uncomfortable. Parents don't talk to their kids about money. Kids don't talk to their parents about money. It's just like this weird topic that people are uncomfortable about. If you're not comfortable talking about money and your bank account is very low, that's probably why. This is not an invitation. However, I do have a private Facebook group where I do share information about different vehicles that you could use to invest in. It's for completely free. It is not for money. I do not charge for financial advice because I'm not an RIA. So it is a free group. This is not an invitation, but if you want to learn more and you do your research and find me and you give me a good enough reason why I should allow you in, then yeah, I'm not opposed to helping anyone. However, this is not an invitation.